How to train students to communicate clearly in English.
Sometimes, even native English speakers have trouble communicating in English.
Problems in communication happen when the connection is lost between speakers and listeners.
Somewhere along the way, the information that's being transferred is lost or mixed up.
Here are some scenarios that communication problems can happen.
1. The speaker doesn't express himself or herself clearly enough. 2. The listener is not paying enough attention to the speaker. 3. The speaker uses language that the listener doesn't understand. 4. The listener does not understand the speaker.
If you want to prevent communication errors among your students, let your students follow a few basic tips.
The 3 important rules of communication.
1. Let them say what they mean. They must be clear and to the point. 2. Let them ask questions. Communication is two-way, which means you can't be the one doing all the talking. 3. Train them to listen. We mean really listen. Train them how to hear what you are saying.
Alternatively, teachers may use pronunciation exercises like minimal pairs, tongue twisters, and word exaggeration.
Bend, bend. Curves, 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 curves. Marble, marble.
Added to the effectiveness of teaching English is the use of technology, like the Phonetic Speech Laboratory, which has preloaded pedagogical pronunciation lessons and modeling tools.
Use the Phonetic Speech Laboratory, the revolutionary speech laboratory.
For more information, contact Bottomline Phonetic Speech Laboratory or visit https://karashkeka.com.
Or call +63 082 221 5513. Or +63 930 374 1341.
Call now.